Welcome to my channel. Troubleshooting Wavlink extender login issues. 1. Check the basics first. Sounds obvious, but make sure the extender is powered on. Light should be steady, not dead or flashing weird. If it is not on, nothing else matters. 2. Connect to the right network. Many times, your device is still connected to your main Wi-Fi. You need to switch to the Wavlink extender's network. Usually shows up as Wavlink or something close. 3. Use the right login address. Typing the wrong address is the number one reason it fails. The extender login page usually sits at http://wifi.wavlink.com or 192.168.10.1. If one does not load, try the other. 4. Clear the browser. Sometimes the browser caches old data and messes up the login page. Open the page in incognito or clear cache. I have seen this fix the problem more than once. 5. Reset the extender. If nothing works, press the reset pin at the back for about 10 seconds. Lights will blink, then the device goes back to default. You can then try login again with the default username and password. 6. Check the cable connection, if using wired. If you are connecting through Ethernet, make sure the cable is not loose. Plug it properly into the LAN port on the extender and the device. 7. Disable VPN or firewall for a while. Your system security or VPN might be blocking the login page. Turn them off for a moment and see if the page loads. Turn it back on after you finish the setup. 8. Try a different device. Sometimes the phone or laptop you are using has a network issue. Grab another device, connect to the extender, and try login there. 9. Update the firmware. If you manage to get inside but still face random login drops, check the firmware. Old versions cause glitches. Download the latest firmware from Wavlink official site and upgrade. 10. Reposition the extender. Weird but true, bad placement can even mess up the login process. If the extender is too far from the router, it will keep disconnecting. Move it closer, finish setup, and then place it again at the right spot. Thanks for watching.